Many people don't realize how easy it is to get your image onto a pair of flip-flops. Whether you're looking for a fun hobby or starting a business, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson desktop dye sublimation technology. In order to get your image onto these flip-flops, here's what you need. An Epson F170 dye sublimation printer loaded with multi-use transfer paper, a pair of heat gloves, some blank flip-flops, a small heat press like this one, scissors, heat transfer tape, and a heat pad. Once you have the finished design for your flip-flops, this is how to send them to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties. Choose your paper type. For flip-flops, choose Textile. Click OK. Then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings. Choose your media type. For flip-flops, choose Textile. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to punch out our flip-flops from our template so we can use this to line it up. Once we have the alignment where we like, we're going to tape this in place using our heat transfer tape. And then we're going to place the flip-flops back inside our template and ready to press. Before we begin, you may want to protect your table surface. To do that, grab a piece of scrap wood or a piece of cardboard, then place a piece of craft paper on top of that. Now we're ready to place our item. We're going to grab our heat press, set it in place, and begin our timer. We are pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and when the timer is up, it will alert us. Be sure to lift the press up slowly. Be sure to put on your heat gloves as the item will be hot. Once you've done that, simply peel the paper away, remove your template, and now you can apply the straps.